Adjust levels in Capcut Mobile completely for free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more presets and effects for life. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Select your video clip, selected and highlighted. Step is to go to the bottom hand screen, and then you want to scroll to the right. You see the option which says adjust, which is to the right of auto reframe and to the left of video quality. Click on it. The adjust menu is opened up and loaded. Basically now you want to scroll to the right until you see the option which should say levels. In this case it's going to be graphs right here, but it's going to be the same exact thing next to highlights, the HSL. Click on it. Now you should be given this icon right here, and if you click in the middle hand screen, adds a point, drag this up, see it changes the color of your video, and drag it down and make the video darker. You can click on red. Let's say you want to adjust the reds, the same exact thing. Video is changing in color, green. Somewhere else on the screen, another point adjusts the color or the levels in Capcut Mobile for free. Tip, if you would like, is you can add a keyframe by clicking this over here, a keyframe, and into this part of the video, this diamond icon, it adds another keyframe. Click graphs, you can drag this down and check mark once you're happy or satisfied. As you can see, our video is slowly adjusting the levels in Capcut Mobile completely for free.